to holy month of Ramadan and Ramadan Kareem. I am Ahmad Yazan. Now I'll show you a simple and easy iftar snack. Pearl snacks. Let's get started. Take one puff sheet and cut it with a star-shaped cookie cutter. Let's cut it. And keep it in a butter-greased baking tray. Now I have got 8 of them. Now let's egg wash it. Now let's sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now let's bake at 170 degrees for 15 minutes. Let's make a filling into a bowl. Add 1 cup of lettuce, half cup of carrot and quarter cup of capsicum, half cup roasted prawn. You can add whatever you like chicken, meat or fish. Add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of any type of mayonnaise, half teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix well. The filling is ready. Our baked pearl shells are also ready. Now we can open the pearl shell. Let's fill it. Let's add the quail eggs. Our pearl snack is ready to serve. The plating is done. Ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you next time.